The approximate 45-minute shuttle drive from the University of Technology, UTech, to Newcastle didn't quell the excitement to enjoy the offerings of the 2019 Blue Mountain Coffee Festival. By the time the shuttle inched onto the military training site, the potent scent of coffee stirred the senses. The Ministry of Tourism promised everything Java. There was coffee-infused products for the skin, the home, and of course, the tummy. Coffee-laced performances too.
Love me,
Families, locals, and tourists. Not even the intermittent showers or hovering mist could stop them from grabbing up as much coffee products as available from the exhibitors.
Today we have nitro cold brew coffee. It's cold brew and then put on pressure with nitrogen gas, and then it's served on tap and has a very smooth texture and tastes very smooth and nice in your mouth. And the customers have really loved it today. So we want to show proof that we can. We want to expose what we're doing, our skill set, to lots of different people. And here we have signs, we have ways to point to the menu so that hearing people can communicate with us, and we like customers to feel good about what they drink.
We represent the small farmers, those people who have half an acre, 5 acres. We have some up to 15, 25, some beyond that, but mostly it's small farmers. But we represent about 7 to 10,000. What we have on display is our Growers' Pride, and you see our logo, which tells you what you get in every sip, which is love, care, and pride. And it's small farmer coffee, and we want you to support it, because it's the small farmers of Jamaica who produce 65% of the coffee that we produce. We want to produce more, we want to produce better, we want better prices, we want the farmers to earn more at every stage of the value chain.
We have our Jamaican sandwiches that we offer, and of course we have the Jamaica Blue Mountain, because that's a must because we're in Jamaica. Of course we want to support the Jamaica coffee farmers because we are in Jamaica and we're all Jamaicans. All the employees are actually Jamaicans, so why wouldn't we be here? Because it's Jamaica, like you said, and we like to lend our support and to be a part of the coffee community.
We are here to just show what we have within this part of the world, and that of course you don't have to go to Montego Bay to get to enjoy yourself. You can do it just here with the things that we have, the natural stuff, the culture, the things that we make, the natural wines by way of processing. So you don't have to add rum to something to get a good feeling or to get a good taste, or you don't have to buy a very expensive wine to get wine, because I mean even coffee can make wine. We have a tourist site where we do tours, so much more, and we want people to know more, so we want to showcase the culture on the whole.
We're focusing on food service at the coffee festival. So we have paper products, so we have biodegradable containers, paper boxes, baggers containers, paper bags, paper straws for restaurants and cafes. We also do Stonely coffee, we distribute for them. And we have a tanning oil, coffee-infused tanning oil, which is really good for people who want to get brown. People like it, you know what I mean? Most of the tourists that come, they like it. It has a nice coffee smell, but it's also all natural, so you don't have the chemicals that you can't pronounce in there. So it's a really good oil. They also have a natural SPF in there, so you're not going to get totally burnt in the sun. So it's nice if that's what you're looking for.
I'm Donna, I'm from St. Catherine, and my sister here, Joy, is with me, enjoying the day. Even though the rain is coming down, we don't mind, we're having fun. The coffee, definitely coffee, and the music.
Seeing everything, enjoying everything. I mean, their performance is taking place, so it's going to be good.
Oh, it was wonderful, lovely, meeting new people.
I love it. I love coffee. I'm a coffee supporter, and I always come back.
Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett promises a bigger, better 2020 staging of the Coffee Festival, including a potential tour across the country.
Anything that is good for Kingston, anything that is good for Newcastle must be good for Mandeville too, and must be good for Montego Bay, and must be good for Westmoreland. And so we are looking at how we can move these coffee festivals across the island and to have a number of them in a given financial year.